Prime Minister has taken the podium there in the UN General Assembly Hall. We will give a moment for him to get some applause from some in the crowd there that were motivated.
Order in the hall.
And he will take the speech. We will listen to it here, and we'll have analysis for you on the other side.
Please order in the hall. Please order in the hall.
All right, what you're seeing here is the big walkout from the UN General Assembly, Sandra, because this actually has happened before to Prime Minister Netanyahu. You can see that the applause is coming from the Israelis as they sit there and watch these individuals decide that they can't sit and listen to a speech.
And trying to get order as Benjamin Netanyahu looks ready to deliver his speech. He is watching on, as you just saw.
You made a good point right before we came to air about when we were on air at the very beginning that, yes, of course, these people are walking out of the speech, but you can bet, Sandra, they're going to be paying attention. But the other people that will be hearing the speech are in Gaza because the IDF has set up loudspeakers all throughout Gaza.